Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, it's Sue from 1A Auto. Today we're working on this 2012 Chevy Equinox. We have multiple listings for parts of this vehicle. Why don't you go to the webpage and check out what we have for your car at 1aauto.com. Start by opening the hood. Lever on this is right here. It marks hood. Give it a pull. Then we find the location of the safety latch. It's right there. Move it to the driver's side. Lift up. So the fuse panel is located in the engine compartment in front of the driver's seat. Clearly marked. And they have two lock tabs. You just squeeze them together and lift up. This model is clearly marked of what each fuse function is for. And you'll look over on the indicator and match the number up for the fuse. Number 29 is the wiper. That's for the wiper motor. So if I needed to change a fuse, the car comes with this nice little tool to remove the mini fuses. So see how it has a grip on it? I would slide that right over the sides of it. It locks in, wiggle back and forth, and pull it out. Squeeze the tab to release. Replace it, put the new fuse in, guide the pins up, push down. Squeeze the tab, release. Put it back in storage, right in the holder. Place the cover over the tabs, push down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.